Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take Up. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your Bigo Live profile. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Bigo Live app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen, you're going to see options like Live, Video, Go Live, Chats and Me. Tap on Me, then on the top of your screen you're gonna find your username and your user icon. Tap on it. Now on the top right corner you're gonna see two icons, Share and Edit. Tap on the Share icon, then a small menu will appear from the bottom of your screen from where you can copy the link given right below your username and share it through other social media apps, or simply select the social media app that you want to share your Bigo Live profile to. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.